G'day ladies and gentlemen, TJ here from TJ Makes Drinks. Cheers for coming around my place for another brew. And today we're going to be having another mimosa. We're going to be having this one's called the Island Mimosa, right? Now I grew up out on Heron Island. This is one of my favourite little drinks that I discovered out there. And it's super easy to make. So we're going to start off with a bit of coconut rum. That's the old Malibu. So we're going to pour in a nip of this into our glass. Expertly measured. And we're going to come behind that with about 90, maybe 100 mils of sparkling wine. Now you probably want this one to be a dry wine, so say Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, Brut Cuvée, something like that, champagne. And then, to go on top of that, because the reason you want the dry wine is because you want it to blend with the sweetness of the pineapple juice, the sweetness of the Malibu, the sweetness of the Grenadine, which is going to be in there. And a little bit, about a nip, of pineapple juice in there, just for flavour, just to cut down the booze a touch. And finally, already gave away the surprise, didn't I? We're going to throw in a touch of the Grenadine on this one. And just a dash to make that nice little pink colour down the bottom. And as you can see, you actually get this lovely gradient, because as it settles, the Grenadine sinks a bit to the bottom. So you get this beautiful gradient from the red through to the pink, through to the yellowy sort of colour. And that's a beautiful drink. You can really taste the coconut coming through on that, which blends very well with the pineapple. So here's cheers. Thanks for coming around my place for another brew. And I'll catch you guys later anyway.